We're here today at the New York Stock Exchange to announce our partnership with NASA. Archer is partnering with NASA around battery cells. We've been working hand in hand with the NASA team to show that our battery cells are very safe for the application of eVTOL.
Archer's partnership with NASA is focused on how we can collaborate on the most critical eVTOL technologies. The technology that we're going to be collaborating with NASA on will be used not just in our cities, but one day it'll be used in space.
Oh, NASA pioneered electric air taxis, and so NASA has a substantial interest in making sure that the foundation for these future transportation vehicles is as safe as possible.
One of NASA's missions has always been for the United States to be a leader in aerospace. And obviously, sustainable aerospace systems is one of their top priority, which makes Archer a great candidate for collaboration.